This is Justin from Diesel Go for Garage, and today I'm going to start talking about motor mounts for LS swaps. So we've got the 74 Nova outside, it's got the 5.3 in it, and when I dropped it in, because of the headers, I decided to use a solid motor mount. So this is the engine side, and this is the frame side here, and I was using the ICT billet plate to line them up where they needed to be. Unfortunately, when I dropped it down, we were probably about almost a full inch on each side off of these two pieces lining up. So unfortunately, I looked on the forums and some people said you could flip over this adapter plate and get another like 5/16 of an inch or whatever. I just wasn't really sure if that was really going to make it on this thing, and using solid motor mounts weren't really my number one choice for a daily driver car. So the solution here is this kit that they sell. So this is the engine side right here, and this actually has the offset so you don't have to run an adapter plate. And this is the frame side, and it's got a polyurethane bushing so you don't actually have to have a solid motor mount. And as you can see here between these two pieces, you're gaining about 2 inches of lift right here between this piece and this piece. And this piece will allow you to clear with, I believe, any oil pan. And so this is really the way to go. It's a little bit more expensive, but once you start adding up all these pieces and then them not fitting, this is definitely the way to go. Everything's built pretty well. Everything fits. It comes with all the hardware to mount it onto the engine, mount it through here, and mount it onto the frame. So I'd recommend really going with this, and the link will be on the bio of this video, and I'll be including some pictures afterwards kind of showing the fitment issues that we are facing. Thank you.